Morning guys, today I want to talk about how you can make money using YouTube, and I'll be looking at the top 5 ways in which you can make money using YouTube in 2021. So you can make money first using the YouTube Partner Program. So what the YouTube Partner Program is, if your account grows up to 1,000 subscribers and you have 4,000 hours of watch time, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. The YouTube Partner Program allows you to add ads in your videos. So if you are watching YouTube, there are those videos which you have to skip after 5 seconds. People have paid YouTube to put those ads. So in essence, it's not YouTube paying you, but it's your fellow advertisers. The second way that you can make money from this is through selling MEC. You can sell MEC through sites such as Teespring. You can see it's right there in our face. So MEC are simply clothes. You can sell things such as t-shirts, you can sell hats, mugs. Remember, YouTube is the largest search engine, so you're using it as a search engine. If you have enough subscribers, what you can do is you can wear your own clothes and use yourself as a model. And it seems to be working. You can also use sites such as Gear Bubble. And yeah. So the third way in which you can make money is through managing other people's accounts and helping them improve. If you think about it, there are a lot of YouTube channels which are struggling, and this is where you come in. So the third way in which you can help people is you can help people who are struggling with their YouTube channel. You can help them improve. You can see I just went into Fiverr and I just typed in YouTube, and you can see there's YouTube promotion, YouTube intro, YouTube banner, YouTube thumbnails, YouTube logos. There's even the YouTube channel art, which is the main art that you see behind YouTube. So if you know how to do any of these jobs, you can actually hire skills out and get paid. Look at this person. This person will get paid about $120. This one, a review video, will do about $45. This is making about $35. And you can also do this on Upwork. Upwork is the same, it's almost the same as Fiverr basically. You can see this person is charging $75 an hour just for SEO. This one is $50 an hour. This is a YouTube guru and management with organic growth. She's charging about $125. This one is choosing about $250. So if you know what you're doing, you can make some money with that. The fourth way is I'm calling it affiliate marketing, though affiliate marketing might not be the actual term. So very often if you're watching YouTube, you hear people describe the things that they're using. Say for instance, I'm using this type of microphone, I'm using this type of computer. Most of those, what they're just doing is they're promoting Amazon products basically. So I can say I'm using this particular laptop, or some people just review products, and I've seen some tech channels that review products that have millions of subscribers, and they make some money by just partnering with YouTube through the YouTube Associates program, and then when they get a sale, they get a small commission of that sale. Now, if you've stayed with me up to this time, I'm super excited. Thank you very much. And this is the most lucrative way of making money on YouTube. I'm talking about selling digital courses. Now, selling digital courses is by far the biggest, because the commissions that you get through digital courses are they're just amazing. You can tell, I just went into Digi24, which is the equivalent of ClickBank, and if you make one sale, you get a 50% commission of about $200. If you make one sale on this program, you get a commission of $150. This is 47, that's terrible. It says 386, and this is 100. Now, the beauty of selling digital courses is, number one, you don't need a website. So number two, the program is not yours. So if you make a sale, you don't have to worry about the technical issues of the program. It is the seller, the designer of the program, who has to worry about that. All you have to do is send traffic. Number three, why I think selling digital courses is the best is because you don't need the 4,000 hours of watch time and the 1,000 subscribers. Because realistically speaking, the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time is not very easy to get. And with this method, the selling digital courses, you can get started even if you don't have any subscribers. That's why I think it is the best way. Now you'll notice most of the YouTubers, the large YouTube channels, this is how they are making money. So I just thought I'd do a quick intro video on how you can make money on YouTube. I'll be diving deeper into the different methods that I've touched on over the next coming couple of days, and I'll be going with better and more detailed example. Thank you very much. Feel free to comment in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for tips on how you can save and make money. Thank you very much.